Alright, Mr. V here, but before we start, like the video, click the bell and subscribe. Hold on, something's wrong here. Sometimes mathematics gives us problems that we don't know how to handle, but luckily our exponent laws helps us to flip this on its head. Right, so let's jump into this next episode on exponent laws. Let's get into it. Exponent laws are extremely powerful mathematical tools. And for every math problem, there is a tool to help us find the solution. So if we remind ourselves, going back to law 1 and law 2, when would we be able to apply them? And you would remember it would only be when the bases are the same. And then we could add or subtract the exponents. If you missed that video, go check it out. But what would happen if we are given a math problem where the bases are different but the exponents are the same? Well then, enter law 4 and law 5. Law 4 tells us that if we would have a to the power of n and multiply that with b to the power of n, we could say that this would be equals to a multiplied by b all to the power of n. Now let us see how we can apply this law to simplify a math problem. So say you are given the following example. X to the power of 3 multiplied by y to the power of 3 multiplied by z to the power of 3. Well, according to law 4, this can be simplified to x, y, z all to the power of 3. And is that not so much simpler? Now let us have a look at law 5. Law 5 tells us that if you ever have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, we can say that this is equals to a over b all to the power of n. Now let us apply this to make a math problem just so much simpler. In the example given, we have 6 to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 3. Now with some calculator or maybe some time, we would be able to solve or simplify this math problem. But given our law 5, we do not need a calculator anymore. We can simplify this to be 6 over 3 all to the power of 3. And once more, we know how to simplify a fraction. This would be 2 to the power of 3. And lastly, we know by now this is 8. So now it is your turn. Go ahead, try and practice, and remember, always do your best and pray for the rest.